Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to make your car battery last longer and avoid unexpected breakdowns, you're in the right place. Your car battery is one of the most crucial components of your vehicle, yet it's often overlooked until it dies. In this video, we'll share 6 essential tips to extend the life of your car battery and keep your vehicle running smoothly. The first tip is to avoid short trips whenever possible. Frequent short trips don't allow your battery to fully recharge, leading to a weakened battery over time. If you often take short drives, consider using a trickle charger or taking your car for a longer drive occasionally to keep the battery charged properly. The second tip is to regularly check your battery terminals and keep them clean. Corrosion buildup on battery terminals can block the flow of electricity, making it harder for your car to start. You can clean the terminals using a mixture of baking soda and water with a small brush. Applying petroleum jelly or a battery terminal protector can also help prevent corrosion. The third tip is to ensure your battery is securely fastened. A loose battery can vibrate excessively, which can cause internal damage and shorten its lifespan. Check your battery regularly to make sure it's properly secured in place and that the connections are tight. The fourth tip is to limit the use of electronic accessories when the engine is off. Using headlights, air conditioning, or charging devices while the car is not running drains the battery. If you're parked, try to avoid using electronics for extended periods to prevent unnecessary battery discharge. The fifth tip is to test your battery regularly. A weak battery can leave you stranded, so it's important to check its health every few months. Many auto shops offer free battery testing, or you can use a multimeter at home to check the voltage. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off. If the voltage is low, it may be time to replace your battery before it fails. The sixth and final tip is to protect your battery from extreme temperatures. High heat can cause the battery fluid to evaporate, while extreme cold can reduce its power. Parking in a garage or shaded area during hot weather and using an engine block heater in winter can help protect your battery from extreme conditions. By following these simple tips, you can extend the life of your car battery and avoid unexpected failures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.